Speaking of catching a glimpse, OnePlus, they just fully showed off the OnePlus 8T design before launch. They're getting carried away with this stuff now. They're getting carried away with this stuff because, you know, they heard me talking over here a little later with the trickle effect. You know, they follow the show. Now they're getting carried away. This ain't a trickle anymore. You can't give us the whole phone.
The next step is actually giving us the phone before.
Right here, like it's sitting right here. Oh yeah, I forgot that part. It's right here. No.
Yeah.
No, that's not a trickle. I mean, that's the phone. So, but anyways, this is their new strategy. I've said in the past I don't mind it because it's so loud and crowded in the smartphone marketplace now. You kind of almost have to get your stuff out there as soon as you have it because people are considering what they're going to buy next. I mean, we keep talking about this fan edition. Samsung, I did the video on Unbox Therapy. I think it's a tremendous value, especially at the $100 discount, which was on it for a limited amount of time. And so maybe they just got to feel like they got to get something out there to let you know you're going to have an option. Now, based on what I've seen of it, it's a short video, by the way. I don't know if you want to show some of it. There's a link at the top of the article, very top of the article. I think it's the second link in the text. Posted a video. Yeah, there you go. It doesn't give everything away. It's a 17-second video. It shows the design inspiration, a couple of drawings, and then it shows the camera module on the back, which looks like a fairly large camera module, by the way, a bigger hump than usual for OnePlus. Triple camera design by the looks of it, I believe. Yeah, triple camera or quad camera maybe. There's a small, it could be one of those. Could that be one of those TOFs? I don't know. Let's see what it says here. The usual strip of 3 camera lenses, but also the extra camera equipment from top to bottom. 3 circles on the right side look like an LED flash, laser autofocus, and a 4th camera lens. So 4 cameras, presumably. Maybe, as is referenced here on the Ars Technica article, maybe why they're bumping the whole thing out is to free up some more space inside for a bigger battery. Because if you remember on the 8 Pro, a lot more of that was embedded. Do I have one? Do I have an 8 Pro sitting over here? I do not have an 8 Pro sitting over there, but I have a lot of other phones sitting over there. Anyways, this is a bigger hump than you're used to. This is a hard device for me to interpret right now because the spec list, the rumored spec list is so similar to the 8 Pro. You're curious, how are you going to price this? What are you going to do here, OnePlus? Is this, since you're not doing a T Pro variant, is this going to be a value play? Where are you going to price this thing? Because let me give you the rumored specs, just a quick recap. 6.5-inch, 120 hertz, OLED display, Snapdragon 865, 8 gigs RAM, 128 storage, 4,500 milliamp hour battery, and a higher spec version, 12 gigs RAM, 256 storage, 65 watt warp charge built in. Like, what are you going to do? Price-wise, because you got the flagship specs, but we know the market's sensitive right now. Real curious how aggressive they can come with it. Of course, we don't have to wait too long because their event is on the 14th?
Yeah, it's next week.
It's on the 14th next week. So we're going to find out real soon. But at least I guess now you have a glimpse at it. You can let me know what you think of the appearance. And also, we can see the color, which looks very Nordish. It looks very OnePlus Nordish.
Nordish.
See what I did there? That sounds delicious, doesn't it? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe not.